Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I am here to share with you my project that I had done for my collab, which is hashtag 757CWA and Company. Yes, we are doing a mixed media project, and our project for this month, which we do post our project the last Sunday of every month for the year of 2021, we decided to do a altar burr house. So yes, you guys, before I share that project with you, I would like to welcome all my new subscribers to my channel. Welcome. And of course, I would like to thank you guys for coming back and supporting me and riding this journey along with me. So yes, I am in this collab. We all decided to go ahead and do a altar burr house. But before I get into that, I would like to mention the other collaborators that is in this group that are also making their project that we decide to do each month. And the collaborators are Dawn, her YouTube channel is Dare to Be Creative. Sheba, her channel is Sheba Finds. Susan, her channel is Susie Q Crafter 21. And of course, Donna, her Instagram is D_K_crafts. So please, you guys, go over to these lady channel and Instagram and show them some love and see what they had created for the month of May. So yes, you guys, I'm excited that I finally put my project together. But before I share that, I would like to show you what I use for my project. So I'm going to get my basket. And the first thing I had used, of course, I had used this white acrylic paint by Craftsmith. So I used that white paint. I also use this Martha Stewart craft. This is multi-surface pearl. I'm trying to think what's the name of it. Let me see. It's called Antique Silk. So that's the color. Hope you guys could see it. So I used that. Then I had used some off-white pearls that I had picked up from Hobby Lobby. And all this is in my stash that I already had. So I used that. Then I used this Dollar Tree lace ribbon. Then I had used this Little Birdie butterfly embellishments. Then I had just hauled these Ashland Burrs embellishments from Michael's the other day. So I used one of the birds that's in this package. It actually come with 4. Then I had really dug in my stash and I had found these old stickers from Dollar Tree. And I had used this lace print right here. And I also used this print. Let me see if you can see it. So I used those prints right there. And they actually are stickers. Then I used some recollection flowers. I used some yellow flowers. I used some white ones. Some pink. And these was like in the Michael's Dollar Bin. I used these purple and these sprays. Then this paper pad is so old I can't even remember where I purchased that, but it's by Quick Cuts. It's called Garden. And I had used this paper out of this collection. And then I had used this floral border die set So that is what I had used to put my project together. And I'm going to share with you what I had created. So here is the final result of my project, you guys. This is my birdhouse. Yes. This is the final result of my birdhouse, you guys. And I just love how everything had turned out. So you see on the roof, that's where I used that lace stickers for the roof that I had in my stash from Dollar Tree. I painted the roof, the chimney right here. Then I used that little birdie butterfly, glitter butterfly. Then you go to the front. You see I used the pearl trim around the edges of the roof. Then here's my cluster of flowers. And I also used my Studio G stickles, the glitter glue on my flowers. And here's the one of the little birdie that I had picked up from Michael recently. And you see my picket fence. I got the vine going around the vents on the side of the house. Some more cluster of flowers and a butterfly right there. And then you see at the bottom some lace and some pearls. And actually, guys, I got this birdhouse from Dollar Tree. And then on the bottom where I attached it, it's like the little wooden crates from Dollar Tree. So I attached that. And I can show you at the bottom. That's how it looks if you didn't know what I was talking about. But that's how the back of the house look. I just love that color, that pink color that I used from Martha Stewart. So yes, you guys, this is my final result of my birdhouse. I love how everything turned out. Just love it, you guys. Simple, nothing overdone, but just really a basic birdhouse. And it already had this hanging element, so I'm gonna find somewhere in my craft room to hang this birdhouse. So you guys, if this is your first time coming over to my channel and you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. So with that being said, you guys, happy Memorial Day. Be safe. Get to crafting, and you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.